Welcome back, Red Belts. You've learned how to speak Korean. Now it's time to Korean culture. Every word has every story brings you closer to Korea. Let's begin. Welcome back, Red Belts. Today, we have a very special story for you. Let's watch this short video together.
A man lived beside a grave for 3 years. This really happened in Old Korea.
In Old Korea, some people stayed near their parents' grave for 3 years.
How was that story? Here's a question for you. Why do you think people stayed near their parents' graves for 3 years? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave your answer in the comments below. It may sound surprising today, but long ago, some people in Korea stayed near their parents' graves for 3 years to express their deepest love and respect. Stories like this reflect one of the most important values in Korean culture. It's called hyo. Hyo means loving, respecting, and caring for your parents. Today, hyo looks different. It can be helping your parents, spending time with them, or simply showing kindness in everyday life. Let's look at some real-life examples together.
엄마, 힘들지? 응? 오늘은 제가 할게요. 괜찮아. 학교 갈 준비해. 아니, 괜찮아요. 고마워. 엄마, 많이 드세요. 지은아, 고마워. 많이 드세요. 공부하기 힘들지? 괜찮아요, 엄마. 너무 무리하지 말어. 알았지? 네, 엄마. 잠시 쉬고 이거 먹고 해. 고마워요, 엄마. 건강이 제일 중요해. 고마워, 엄마. 우리 딸 다 컸네.
Did you enjoy today's story? I hope today's lesson brought you one step closer to understanding Korea and its people. And while you were watching the story, how much Korean could you understand? Tell me in the comments below. No matter where you are in the world, you'll always have a place here at K-Story. Thank you for being part of our K-Story family. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep opening new doors. See you next time. 안녕. Fantastic work, Red Belts. Mission complete. Every lesson brings you one step closer to understanding Korea. Your black belt journey begins next. I'll see you in the next adventure.